How to use the VIP mailbox in Mail on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use VIP mailbox in Mail on iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is simply open the mailbox. So to do that, you gotta simply open the mail application of your iPhone, and then you gotta click on mailboxes here at the top left. Here, you'll be able to see the option of VIP. So you can simply click on VIP over here and it says, quickly access mail for important people in your VIP mailbox. So you need to add VIP people over here. So simply click on add VIP over here and you'll be taken over to your contact list. Simply click on the specific contacts that you wish to add to VIP, and then all of the emails that you receive from your VIP contacts, you'll be able to see them categorized in a star section. So you can simply head over to VIP and you'll be able to see all of the VIP contacts emails over here in order to access them quickly and easily. So that is how you can use VIP mailbox in Mail on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.